Okay, let's look at the options that you have available, and each individual also has available to them in the chat window. In the upper right corner of the chat window itself, you'll see 4 icons or buttons. If you was to be in, for example, the presentation mode and the chat window is to the left, you will still find those 4 buttons available. Now, the very first one that you find actually enables or disables the system messages. If you are seeing in the chat window a list when people are signing in or signing out, and these are the options that are either enabled or disabled by the moderator before they started the webinar. Remember when we went up to settings and we selected the other tab, that we had options of enabling or disabling sign in, sign out messages, etc. If those are enabled by the moderator, then each individual has the option of clicking this button to turn those notifications on or off inside of the chat window. Now, the second option is to give a time stamp for each text message. So, for example, if we was to go down and type a text message, we will notice in the lower right corner of the chat window a time when that text message came through, or that chat message came through. By clicking on the little clock, you turn off the visibility of that timestamp. Now, the button next to it that has the T with the up arrow will actually increase the font size in the chat area. So each individual can select it, and you'll notice that the font continues to get larger and larger in the text chat area. Clicking the text button next to it reverses that and makes the font smaller and smaller each time you click on it. So those are some options available in the text chat window itself that is available to each individual moderator or attendee to control the looks inside of the chat window.